Om Sakti. Amma, in one of her recent oracles dated the 26th of June 2020, said, "Women either dream about marriage or worry about it. They are anxious about their future husband and they visit the temple only when there are disturbances in their married life. While some women who have lost their husband seem to deeply engage in spirituality, the others live with a grief-stricken heart. What women need is a clear mind that is firmly established and surrendered to the one and only mother and her ways, just as how a tree grows firmly rooted at one place." In this oracle, Amma gives emphasis on the women devotees. Some of the young women who render various services at the Siddharpeedam seem to harbor an intention or desire of seeking marital bliss. Once the desire is met, they think of the Siddharpeedam only when there are problems with the marriage or family. Some tread the spiritual path with utmost sincerity and devotion only when they lose their spouse. Women who volunteer should nurture their spiritual connection by placing their trust and surrender to the mother, engaging in the services and ways of the Siddharpeedam with the thought of universal oneness. To survive the challenging times, women should follow Amma's oracles on avoiding television and cell phone, avoiding spicy food and meat, performing daily worship, consuming Amma's immunity medicines regularly, performing Amavasya Yagam and Paurnami Puja as per Amma's instructions. Amma also said, illiterate poor women do not compare themselves with others and lead a peaceful and courageous life. One should be courageous and independent like them. Women should worship at Melmaruvattur Siddharpeedam that will help nurture firm faith that Amma stays with us as Mother Adiparashakti. The opportunity to explain the meaning of the divine oracle to others is like the light of the sun removing darkness. It will help in bringing the lives of people to light, removing darkness. Contribute and participate in the digital service of Melmaruvattur Siddharpeedam by sharing content with others. Those who cannot access the digital service, help them by sharing all the great guidance given by Amma. You can share your experience that paves the way to prosperity. Om Sakti.